Are you tired of dragging a heavy vacuum across your tile floors, only to find dust and pet hair still clinging to the grout? Wondering if there's finally a cordless vacuum that can handle the daily messes, sticky spills, and fine debris that tile floors seem to attract? Or maybe you're searching for a cleaning solution that's lightweight, powerful, and easy to maneuver without sacrificing suction or battery life? Today, I am diving deep into the world of vacuums to find the absolute best for tile floors. After extensive hands-on testing, I've ranked the top 6 contenders, from feature-packed stick vacuums to innovative mop-vac combos. Let's start. 6. Tineco Pure ONE S11. The Tineco Pure ONE S11 is a mid-range cordless stick vacuum that brings smart technology and strong suction to the table. On paper, it's a compelling option for tile floors, especially with its iLoop smart sensor that automatically adjusts suction based on debris detection. In practice, the S11's 450W motor and soft roller head do a solid job picking up most debris on tile, and it's particularly effective at cleaning out cracks and crevices, a common challenge with hard flooring. The LED display is a nice touch, offering real-time feedback and alerts if the brush roll gets stuck or the hose is clogged. The detachable battery gives up to 40 minutes of runtime in eco mode, which is more than enough for most apartments or small homes. However, after extended use, some limitations become apparent. The S11 suction, while impressive for its class, doesn't quite match the deep cleaning power of premium models like the Dyson V12 or Samsung Jet. On tile, it sometimes pushes larger debris, like cereal, around rather than sucking it up, requiring multiple passes to get a truly spotless floor. Fine dust can also get swept back by the floor head, leaving a faint trail that needs another go-over. The vacuum is lightweight and easy to maneuver, but the floor head doesn't pivot as smoothly as some competitors, making it a bit awkward under low furniture. The build quality feels a bit fragile in places, particularly the HEPA filter housing, which raises concerns about long-term durability. 5. Kenmore Intuition Bagged Upright Vacuum. Next up is the Kenmore Intuition Bagged Upright, a corded vacuum that brings classic upright power and bagged convenience to your tile cleaning routine. The Intuition stands out for its strong suction, versatile attachments, and sealed HEPA filtration system, which traps 99.97% of dust and allergens, great news for allergy sufferers. The lift-off feature lets you detach the canister for above-floor cleaning, and the long integrated wand is perfect for reaching cobwebs or cleaning under cabinets. With a 3.1-liter bag capacity and a 30-foot cord, you can clean large areas without frequent stops to empty or change outlets. On tile floors, the Kenmore Intuition delivers impressive results, picking up everything from fine dust to larger debris with ease. The brush roll can be turned off to prevent scattering debris or scratching delicate tiles, and the LED headlights help you spot hidden dirt in corners. The vacuum is lighter than most uprights, making it easier to maneuver, especially on stairs or in multi-level homes. The bagged design also means less mess when emptying, just press a button and the bag seals itself, minimizing dust exposure. Despite these strengths, the Kenmore Intuition isn't without its flaws. Its bulky body can be tricky to maneuver in tight spaces or around furniture, and the short vacuum hose limits reach for high shelves or deep crevices. The disposable bags, while convenient, add recurring costs over time, and the vacuum can be a bit noisy compared to cordless models. 4. Samsung Jet 75 Jet Cordless Stick Vacuum. Moving into the top 4, the Samsung Jet 75 Jet Cordless Stick Vacuum impresses with its blend of power, versatility, and user-friendly design. With the 200 AW digital inverter motor, the Jet 75 delivers exceptional suction, removing up to 99.3% of debris in objective cleaning tests, including 100% on hardwood and tile floors. The lightweight build and smoothly pivoting floor head make it easy to maneuver around furniture and into tight corners, while the 5-stage HEPA filtration system ensures the air stays clean and allergen-free. One of the Jet 75's standout features is its swappable battery system, providing up to 60 minutes of runtime per battery, perfect for larger homes or deep cleaning sessions. The vacuum comes with multiple attachments, including a soft roller head that's ideal for tile and hard floors, as well as a turbo brush for carpets and pet hair. The LED display and touch controls make it easy to switch between modes, and the dustbin is spacious enough for extended cleaning without frequent emptying. In real-world use, the Jet 75 excels on tile floors, picking up fine dust, pet hair, and even stubborn debris from grout lines with minimal effort. The soft roller head prevents scratching and glides smoothly, while the powerful suction ensures a thorough clean in fewer passes. The vacuum is also easy to convert into a handheld for above-floor cleaning or car interiors, adding to its versatility. 3. Trucozie Cordless Vacuum Cleaner. The Trucozie Cordless Vacuum Cleaner is an 8-in-1 stick vacuum that's quickly become a favorite among users for its combination of affordability, power, and versatility. With a 150W motor and 3 suction levels, it's more than capable of tackling tile, hardwood, and low-pile carpets. The vacuum's lightweight design, just under 4 pounds, makes it exceptionally easy to carry upstairs or maneuver around furniture, and the swivel base allows for effortless navigation in tight spaces. During testing, the Trucozie impressed with its ability to pick up pet hair, crumbs, and fine dust from tile floors, thanks in part to its anti-tangle V-shaped brush and advanced 5-stage filtration system. The LED lights on the floor head illuminate hidden debris, making it easy to spot and clean every speck, even in dark corners or under cabinets. The battery lasts up to 45 minutes on a single charge, which is ample for most homes, and the dustbin is easy to empty with a single button press. The Trucozie's versatility shines with its array of attachments, allowing it to transform into a handheld for cleaning upholstery, car interiors, or high shelves. The adjustable handle and multiple cleaning modes make it suitable for a variety of tasks, from quick daily cleanups to deep cleaning sessions. Users consistently praise its quiet operation and the convenience of not having to hold down a trigger while vacuuming. 2. UNINELL Home Cordless Vacuum Cleaner. Runner-up on our list is the UNINELL Home Cordless Vacuum Cleaner, a powerhouse stick vacuum that combines impressive suction, long battery life, and advanced features for a seamless tile floor cleaning experience. With a 550W brushless motor and up to 48 kilopascals of suction in turbo mode, the UNINELL Home effortlessly lifts debris from tile, grout, and even low to mid-pile carpets. The 1.6-liter dust cup is one of the largest in its class, meaning fewer interruptions to empty during big cleaning sessions. What sets the UNINELL Home apart is its versatility and user-friendly design. The vacuum offers up to 65 minutes of runtime in eco mode, enough to clean even the largest homes on a single charge. The detachable battery can be swapped for a spare, doubling your cleaning time if needed. The LED touchscreen displays battery life, suction mode, and blockage alerts, while the self-standing design means you can pause cleaning without propping the vacuum against a wall. On tile floors, the UNINELL Home excels at picking up fine dust, pet hair, and larger debris, thanks to its V-shaped anti-tangle roller brush and 4 LED headlights that illuminate every corner. The 7-layer filtration system traps allergens and dust, making it ideal for allergy sufferers. The vacuum is lightweight and easy to maneuver, and the array of attachments, crevice tool, 2-in-1 brush, and more, make it suitable for cleaning everything from ceilings to car seats. 1. Shark VACMOP Pro Cordless Hard Floor Vacuum. Taking the top spot is the Shark VACMOP Pro Cordless Hard Floor Vacuum, a true game-changer for tile floors. What sets the VACMOP Pro apart is its unique all-in-one design, combining powerful suction for dry debris with spray mopping for wet, stuck-on messes. The disposable VACMOP pads lock away dirt and grime, so you never have to touch a dirty pad again, just toss it when you're done. The system is lightweight, cordless, and incredibly easy to use, making it perfect for quick cleanups or deep cleaning sessions. During testing, the VACMOP Pro proved its worth on tile, vinyl, and hardwood floors, easily picking up everything from pet hair and crumbs to sticky spills and muddy footprints. The spray mop function delivers just the right amount of cleaning solution for a streak-free finish, and the LED headlights help you spot hidden dust and debris. The magnetic charger is a convenient touch, and the battery provides enough power for most cleaning sessions without needing a recharge. What truly makes the VACMOP Pro a winner for tile floors is its ability to vacuum and mop simultaneously, saving time and effort while delivering a sparkling clean surface. The disposable pads eliminate the hassle of cleaning dirty mop heads or filters, just pop on a new pad and you're ready to go. Users consistently praise its lightweight design, strong suction, and the convenience of not having to maintain filters or brushes. Final thought. So, which vacuum will you choose for your tile floors? Whether you want smart features, classic upright power, or an all-in-one mop vac solution, there's something on this list for every home and every budget. Let me know in the comments which vacuum you think deserves the crown, or if you have a favorite that didn't make the list. And don't forget to subscribe for more hands-on reviews and cleaning tips. Happy vacuuming!